Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on the HP Omen 16 AKNO. Today, we will guide you through the steps to diagnose and understand the repair limitations of this laptop model. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open the device and prevent any static damage. Begin by ensuring the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once all screws are removed, gently use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once the back panel is off, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect for any visible damage or dust accumulation. If you notice dust, use compressed air to clean the internal parts. This can help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Now let's discuss the components. The HP Omen 16 AKNO features a powerful GPU and CPU, but if you encounter issues, it's essential to understand that some components may not be easily replaceable. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify the problem without any commitment on your part. Moving on, check the RAM and storage. If you need to replace or upgrade these components, carefully unclip the RAM sticks and remove the SSD. Ensure you handle these parts with care to avoid static damage. If you're unsure about this process, consider our collection and delivery at your home service. We can pick up your device, diagnose it, and return it to you, all without you needing to make any calls or travel. After inspecting the RAM and storage, let's look at the cooling system. The fans can often accumulate dust, which can lead to overheating. Use your compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This maintenance step is vital for the longevity of your laptop. If you find that the laptop still isn't functioning correctly after cleaning, it may be time to consider a quote before repair. We provide transparent pricing and can inform you of the costs involved before any work is done. This way, you can make an informed decision about how to proceed. Finally, once you've completed your inspection and any necessary cleaning or component replacements, carefully reattach the back panel. Ensure all screws are securely fastened. In conclusion, while the HP Omen 16 AKNO may present some challenges in terms of repairability, understanding its components and maintenance can significantly enhance its performance. If you ever feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Remember, we're here to assist you with our expert services, ensuring your laptop is in the best hands possible. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.